Welcome to wizard.com. I am maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. Find the additive inverse of each of the following integers, and these are the integers. So first of all, what is additive inverse? So additive inverse of a number is the number that when added to the given number gives 0 or else 0, we can say. This is the definition for additive inverse, or we can say in simple words, it is a negation of the given number. So let us find the additive inverse of all the given numbers. So minus 90,963. So negation of this will be equal to minus will become plus. So this is the additive inverse. Now the additive inverse of 1 is minus 1. The additive inverse of 66,889 is minus of 66,889, and last number is minus 10,366 is plus of 10,366. So this is our answer.